Alright, how's it going, guys? So for you guys, it probably has been only like a couple days since I've last made my video, but for me, it's been about 3 weeks. So the last time you saw me, I was out in Idaho. I went out to the Lost River Range. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it above. But anyways, I made it all the way back to Washington. I'm out at one of my favorite places to camp out here, which is Coulee Vantage area to be exact. It's a really cool place. It reminds me a lot like Utah, which is kind of why I wanted to come back out here. And it's getting really, really cold. To go pick up my diesel heater from my storage unit outside right now. I don't know if you can tell, but it is really cold. It's maybe like 38 right now, maybe 37. In the tent, it's probably sitting up at 70 degrees, I would say. And if you guys are ever, I guess, curious about how long this lasts, I turned this on at maybe 8 p.m. last night. It is currently 7:30. I have maybe an eighth of a tank left, and this is a gallon tank. Probably gonna run for another maybe hour or two. So let's say it will run for maybe like 12, 13, 14 hours on a 1 gallon tank, which is pretty good. But yeah, anyways, I think this might be the last episode of me living on the road. Just want to lay low for a little bit, recalibrate, find out what works and what didn't work while living on the road, and I think that might just be a video on itself. I think for today though, I do want to do a lot more exploring around this area. I think I want to go back to one of my other favorite spots to photograph, which is Palouse Falls. And then here's the gorge overlook. But yeah, if you guys ever make it out here, it's definitely worth exploring. And then I am over here. Some new additions to the 4Runner as well. I got the rigged Ultra Swing. I don't have a spare tire just yet mounted on here. I'm still waiting for a couple things. Then here is the side hack, which I plan on mounting like propane or extra water and all that stuff. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty modular. And then of course the table, I've always wanted a table. It's cool because this is also a cutting board. For me, it's very functional because I cook out of the 4Runner quite a bit. Speaking of cooking, I am going to make some food. For today's meal, I'm making Vietnamese sandwiches called Bahn Mi. I've never made it before. Part of a really, really good Bahn Mi is the bread that you would use. Luckily for me, I live in Washington and there's a lot of Vietnamese restaurants. There are even grocery stores that you can actually buy the bread from. They're a little different from the French style bread. Okay, so here's the store-bought pork belly, and then dice up the cucumbers. Also, again, store-bought pickled daikon and carrots. Some pate bread, specifically the Vietnamese one, pork meatloaf, so dice this up. Not gonna be traditional, but I think it covers for how I would like to taste it, which is with extra spice and then the mayo. Alright, so I think it's time to head on out of here. I do got to get more diesel, so if I can find a gas station, they should have diesel there. And so yeah, I think I'm gonna head straight to Palouse and then try to find camp somewhere around the area. There's a ton of camp spots along the way, so I don't think it'll be too hard, but yeah, anyways, time to get out of here. Just arrived at Palouse Falls, just gonna go down and grab some pictures. I mean, it's about that time of year where the sun sets like super early, so right after this, I'm gonna try to go find some camp. Let's see if I can try to find some camp. I kind of want to be closer to Seattle, so I might head out towards like Ellensburg area, hopefully. I gotta do laundry here pretty soon, so my backup plan is probably just to go to the same spot as I was yesterday. But anyways, I'll figure it out. I'm gonna head out of here and then I will see you guys at camp. Just arrived to grab some gas, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm probably not gonna stay anywhere near this area. It's notorious for it being really windy. Last night was actually pretty good. It wasn't too windy, but today is one of those days where it's super windy outside. So I'm gonna head into Snoqualmie, see if I can find some camp within that area. Alright, so this is gonna be a camp for tonight. I think I'm gonna make the same thing as I did this morning, which is just the Bahn Mi sandwiches. So I do expect it to rain quite a bit. Hopefully it's not too windy today or tonight, and probably tomorrow morning, but I think I'll be okay. I can always pop out the awning. Did get a notice that it was gonna snow. I'm looking forward to that. I haven't seen snow in quite some time. And I'm just tucked in between these trees. There's a giant fire pit right there, and then there's one like down the road somewhere. But anyways, I am going to make lunch. Even though it's super dark outside, it is still pretty early. So I think it's 4:45, and it's definitely not gonna get any brighter. So it's starting to snow, which is great because, like I said yesterday, I haven't seen snow in a very long time, and it's still kind of fall, as you can see. So it's a really cool contrast between the snow and all the leaves. Super soothing to hear the snowfall hitting the leaves and everything. I'm gonna make lunch real quick, then head back into Seattle to grab some more water, do laundry, and probably edit this video. Now the fun part begins, where you gotta pack up everything.